Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the Tarte Discovery Set box, and I actually got this online. I just got this in the mail, so I decided to make a video, open it up, and just show y'all what I got. So I think I paid $55 for this, but it ended up being like $61 with shipping and tax. But I got a lot of stuff. So the first thing I got was the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Foundation, and it has an SPF of 15 in it. I really like the blue and purple like shine it has. It's not holographic, but it kind of like changes colors. Here's the bottle. I love the top of it, and it has like a pusher, so I'm assuming it's a dropper. And I like that a lot more because I feel like it's more sanitary to drop it on your face and then blend it. But I did get this full-size bottle of foundation. The next thing I got, and it's like the same packaging, is the Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette in volume 2. So it has like a little card showing you eyeshadow looks, and I really like this. I think it's super pretty. I love the theme of this box. I love the blues and the purples together. And when you open it up, here are the colors it comes with. I feel like this is a palette you can take with you and just do a lot of simple looks with. I really like neutral palettes, and so I'm really excited about this. So I did swatch them. This one doesn't have a lot of pigment, but it's still kind of pretty. And then this white and this brown over here are kind of a little chalky. They feel really creamy, and I feel like they'll go really pretty on the skin. I feel like you can do a lot of looks with this. Just these two things alone pay for the box, but there's still more things in here. The next thing in here is a Lights Camera Lashes mascara. It's a 4-in-1 mascara, and I've never actually tried this one. I've seen it a lot in the store, and I just kind of thought it was pretty, but I've never actually put it on. I'm not the biggest fan of the packaging, but I do like the purple. It goes with the theme. The next thing in here is the Man Eater eyeliner, and I need eyeliner so bad. I just ran out, so I'm super excited that I got this, and I hope it doesn't bleed. It said that it's a self-sharpening eyeliner, and I'm assuming when you're turning it to open, it's actually sharpening the pencil. This went on super smooth, and it's black. I love this one, and I'm really happy that I did get an eyeliner. The last thing in here is a Color Splash lipstick, and it's in the shade Pink Lemonade. I feel like this would be a pretty color. I hope it's not too pink. Ooh, it looks like water. I love the packaging of this, and it says Tarte right there in gold. I think this is a really pretty neutral color. I think it's a pretty color. My lips are a little chapped right now, so I will try this out again later and see what it looks like. For the price I paid though, $55, I feel like I got a lot. I got a foundation, a mascara, an eyeliner, eyeshadow, and a lipstick. So far, I really like it. I've never tried this foundation, so I will be trying this. The eyeshadows seem really pretty, so does the eyeliner, and so does the lipstick. So I feel like all in all, this is a really good box. I did purchase this off QVC. I don't know if they're still running the deal or not, but the box says that you can get it off Tarte.com as well. I don't know if it's gonna be the same deal, but you can always go on there and buy it as well. But that is all that I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.